How to use Hinge dating app. Well, to use the Hinge dating app, you can start by downloading the app and creating a profile. I've already made a video on how you can create a profile, how you can set up your profile, so you can check out my video, and then you can proceed to add in images here. Now, if you want to make any changes to your profile, now you'll get an interface somewhat like this. To start matching, you can proceed to send likes to someone. So I'm not completing likes here, so I'll just complete your profile to send likes. So tap on complete profile and proceed to complete your profile. You need to add at least 6 videos or photos. So here, upload and then select photos or videos right here. Done. I'm just selecting randomly here just for the sake of it, but here. Then you can then browse profiles one by one, tapping the heart icon to like a specific photo or a prompt, and then tapping the X option to skip them. So you can see X option to skip, and you can see love icon here to start liking. If you want to make changes to your profile, head over to your profile at the bottom right and you'll be able to see profiles, and you can see settings option where you can proceed to make settings. Here, choose your account settings as well. You'll be able to find matches. You can chat with matches through the chat icon here. You can proceed to match on the heart who likes you by tapping on heart icon. However, you'll need to upgrade your profile. So this is how you can use your Hinge dating app. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.